If you are finding it difficult to use EQ on your vocals, this video is actually for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually use EQ and mix your song to sound perfectly. If this is your first time of watching video on my channel, kindly subscribe to this channel, like and comment on this video. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out in our new update. For that being said, let's dive into the main video of the day. I'm going to show you how you can actually use EQ on your music and do the magic. So in my FL Studio, the first thing I need to do is for me to dive into my mixer track and go to where my vocals is being linking. In my previous video, I talked about how to use auto-tune and compressor, so you can check the link in the description of this video so you can get access to them. In order for me to work on my EQ, the first thing I need to do is for me to load into my EQ into this project. So I load it in. But before we start doing any other thing, let's first of all hear how the vocal sounds, how the music sounds. Let's get to hear it.
Yeah, you know, never wanna let you down, girl, I swear. Yeah.
So that is how the vocal sounds, and you can hear we have not done any equalizer yet. So before we start working on EQ, I would like you to understand that the EQ are divided into three main parts, which is the bass, the mid, and the high mid. So what happened here is that from here to here is noise, from here to here is sub, from here to here is bass, from here to here is low mid, from here to here is mid, and from here to here is high mid, from here to here is the treble. You understand what I mean? So whenever you want to work on EQ, you need to understand that if you drag this to here, you are if you do like drag here to this side, you are on another frequency, and if you drag to this side and you are in another frequency. So what we are going to do in this EQ is that we are going to EQ out the unwanted frequency from this vocal, so we can make this vocal to sound light and also sound sweet to people who are listening to this music. What I need to do is I right click and come to step 8, and I'll also right click and select the type to high. It's going to cut down my EQ here, so I'm going to push it till I reach where it tried the bass, till I enter the bass aspect. So here I am around 110 Hz, so that is okay for me. So let's just hear it.
Yeah, you know.
The next thing for me to do is for me to remove all those harsh parts in this vocal. So let's just play the vocals while we are doing the EQ.
Yeah, you know, never wanna let you down, girl, I swear. Yeah, you be my own. Man, gotta fight for you all day long. Yeah. Say now you the ginger, girl, you the boss, my brain, oh. Now you the ginger me, girl, you know what I want to embody, you go hold me down, and I teach you I wanna.
So the thing that is happening here is that when you understand the basic of this EQ and what you want to actually cut out from your vocals, that is when you are doing your EQ more professionally. So what I do here is that I cut out the sub of the vocals, and then I cut down the harsh part of the vocals too. Then I increase the high, the mid, like the high mid, so I can have some highs in the vocals. So let's listen to the before and after of this whole work. Let's hear before. Let's hear the before.
Yeah, you know, never wanna let you down, girl, I swear. Yeah, you be my own. Man, gotta fight for you all day long. Yeah. Say now you way.
Let's hear the before the after.
Girl, you know, never wanna let you down, girl, I swear. Yeah, girl, you be my own. Man, gotta fight for you all day long. Yeah.
So that is how you need to know about equalizer. But there are some other things you need to understand. Equalizer are being divided into 3 subparts. That's the bass, the mid, and the high. So whenever you are equaling something, you need to know whatever you want to cut out. If you want to cut out at the mid aspect, you work in the mid aspect. If you want to cut out from the bass aspect, you work in the bass aspect. If you want to cut out in the mid aspect, you work in the mid aspect. And if you want to cut out in the high aspect, you work in the high aspect. So that is how you need to know about EQ. EQ is simple. It's all about you using your ear to listen and understand the kind of sounds you are hearing. If you are hearing something that is not good in your ear, you can actually use these knobs to cut them out from your vocals. So in my next video, I'm going to show you how you can make your vocals sound brighter in the mix. So stick around, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out in this video. But that being said, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.